Hello, in this video I want to show you how to unpack RAR and zip archives on your Cubot P50. So in order to do this, first you will need to get the RAR app, and we've shown you how to download it in our other video. Now let's locate the files that we want to unpack, and mine are located right here. Select it, then press on this arrow pointing up, then browse, and choose the designation where to unpack these files. Change any of the extraction options if you want, and then click on OK. That way you will unpack your files. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.